Good morning, mate. Yeah, I just woke up. So, FTT, lots of whales accumulating this token. Yeah, um, yeah, Shiba and FTT. I'm not sure if I compare the both of them, but anyway, I agree with the accumulation. This is 2 week charts, right? You can see here 2 week charts. This to me does look like some sort of accumulation. We have dropped back down into support. Let's draw that better. You can see right here, we've dropped back down. Buttons are not working. Drop back down into support right down in here, and it looks to be trying to round and push back up. There is 3 days left, 4 days really left on this 2 week candle. So you have to think at this point it is rounding kind of and wants to push back up, at least push back up into this point right here. There's a resistance point right up in here. So price likes to actually bounce and pierce the resistance point. Now, is it going to reject off that, or is it going to reclaim that and continue higher? Well, we'll know that later, but at this point in time, that will be a major resistance point. But it does look like it's trying to bounce. Now, the 40 to 50% is a 20% bounce, or whatever, up into this level, 27% bounce really, up to 53. So there definitely does look like there should be some upside. This is a bit of a bullish kind of reversal candle. There's no other examples of that here. Kind of here, but you can see it did get continuation. It's not the same setup, but it's slightly similar. Thing is, there's 18 days left. If this can finish strong on the 18 days, it would end up being, a bullish engulfing candle that would engulf this one, just like it engulfed this one. So at this point, you definitely could think about buying FTT with your stop loss below that green line. You don't want this to be flipping green on the month again. So now I don't know if you're trading with leverage or trading or investor, or I don't know what type of trader you are. The problem is that that's a 7% drop to have your stop loss, which might actually be too much for a lot of people. The other way to play it, well, you can limit it a little bit. No. Okay, well, it looks like we're going to have to trade this 3-day candle. You can see here, there's a bit of a big 3-day candle, and you actually get a dip back down, right? If we get that same dip back down into somewhere down in here, well, I would suggest that is your buy point on FTT. If there's a bit of whipsaw here and we get that push back down into the body, well, that's where you would buy and put your stop loss either below the open of this candle or the lows of this candle.